Hero MotoCorp has come out with a disappointing set of numbers in the third quarter today, and despite an 11% growth in the revenues, the margins as well as the profits came in below street expectations, as a sharp rise in advertisement as also the input costs hit the margins of the company. And there you go, the stock got punished in trade today, down 3.5%. Let's go straight across to our auto research analyst Yatin Mota, joining us with all the analysis and number crunching. Tell us, Yatin.
Well, it was a disappointing third quarter for India's largest two-wheeler maker, Hero MotoCorp. If you look at the revenues, they were in line with market expectation at close to 6,880 crores, a jump of 11% on a year-on-year basis. But if you look at the EBITDA, we were expecting a number of little over 1,025 crores, and they posted little less than 900 crores, so almost 125 crore miss came in on the EBITDA front. If you look at the operating margins also, they came in at 13.1%. Of course, it expanded on a year-on-year basis, but was almost 200 basis points lower than what the street was anticipating. If you look at the profit figure for Hero MotoCorp, that came in at a smart 525 crores. If you look at the year-on-year performance, it was good, but given the market expectations on the operating margin front, the profit figure was quite muted versus the expectations of 610 crores. Of course, if you look at the factors that impacted the quarter three numbers were the higher other expenses. If you look at the higher other expenses, the management in the conference call stated that because of adverse currency movement as well as sharp rise in other input costs, the overall expenses went up. Of course, they say that the cost-cutting drive that they have been undertaking would boost the margins in the very medium term. And they also indicate that the management will be aggressively launching new bikes going forward in order to boost the overall demand. So clearly on the future trajectory on the margin front as well as on the volume growth front, the management remains quite constructive, but it was a disappointing third quarter for Hero MotoCorp versus the street expectations.